Welcome back to my channel, and if you're joining us for the first time, okay, you can just click the notification button and hit the subscription button as well, so that you can get my reviews and my analysis. Okay, so yesterday we looked at super USDT, and we were able to establish our charts, we were able to establish our analysis as to the reason why we should take that trade. Okay, and this morning, if you look at super USDT, you find out that it is currently buying and it's doing well. Okay, so today we are looking at ENAUSDT. So what we do is we take one trade a day. So ENAUSDT is what we are looking at, and I'm looking at it on a 4-hour time frame because it gives a better view, or in fact higher time frames in general gives better view of the market. Okay, so by the time you've gone through a higher time frame, you can now scale down to a lower time frame and then be able to find your entry. Okay, so looking at ENA, I have seen another block here. Okay, another block here. I've already marked it. This zone, there's another block here, which actually is a very significant one. Looking at the preceding candle, it was a very bearish one, but then it was now engulfed by a big buying candle. That is a bullish candle. So that shows that there were a lot of price action there. There were a lot of buying opportunities that happened there. So many institutions or many bigger traders bought at that point, and that shows that this market is going to reverse back to this spot again, and by the time it comes back here, it's going to take up again. So that's a very good entry to wait for this market. So I have seen that other block, and then I have chosen to wait for this market at this point, because if you look at it, there are massive buys from here to here, and at this point there were lows. There are bearish candles here, and it took up again here with another bullish candle, and it's going higher and lower lows, and currently it's coming down, and the intention is that it's going to get at this point. By the time you get at this point, that is my entry. That entry is 0.3898. So by the time you get to that 0.3898, it's going to shoot up back because it's going to respect this other block. And like I said, another block is where larger institutions or larger markets buying and selling has taken place, and this market will always respect that. And then another confirmation is also the fact that there is a fair value gap here. Okay, these are all gaps that has been created by the previous bullish engulfers or a bullish market that has happened. So, and this fair value gaps is a concept in the smart money concept that talks about, or that gives clarity to the fact that these gaps has to be created. Has to be filled. These gaps has to be filled, for the market to be able to take up another buying opportunity. So these gaps will be filled. As you can see, these whole places are gaps to be filled, and that is what is currently happening here. So by the time it gets to this point, this market will go up this way. Okay, so that is why I have taken interest in this particular coin. In fact, I am thinking that by the time this market gets here, by the end of today, it's going to, anybody that picks it and sets up will be on profit. So if you want to, bounce on this trade, that's fine. You can just check it out, ENAUSDT, and I'm checking it out on 4 hours time frame. And whatever time frame it is, just find your confirmation and then enter the market. Remember to back test this and be sure of what you want to do before you start. Thank you.